We're going to be looking at the easiest Oasis song in my opinion, which is Songbird. It's got two main chords and one passing chord, which I'll talk about in a minute. So grab your guitar and let's jump into the first chord. So we have G major. The passing chord is G/F sharp, which basically means G major with F sharp in the bass. The first finger goes onto the second fret. We then use that finger to meet the A, and then the rest is the same as the G. From there we go to E-7. So basically putting our first finger down onto the A string and then putting our second finger on the second fret of the D. Keeping our 3 and 4 fingers where they were. Then it goes from E-7 to G over F sharp again. And then that's it, then we go back to G, and that's the whole sequence. So just going through those chords once more. G, G over F sharp, E-7, G over F sharp. And then back to the first chord again, which is G. So the strumming pattern, we're going down, 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 up, down, up. That's for 1 bar. We then do that for another 2 bars, so 3 bars in total. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and second bar. Third bar, 2, 3, and 4, and. Now on the 4th bar, we are going 1, 2, so 2 downstrokes, and then we go to that G over F sharp, our passing chord, 3 and 4 and. Okay, so that last bar, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and. Then we go to E-7. E-7, we're doing exactly the same thing as what we did there with the G to the G over F sharp. So we've got 3 bars of E-7, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and, third bar. Then the 4th bar, we'll do that same thing. We've got 2 strums on the E-7, and then we're going to the passing chord G over F sharp for 3 and 4 and. And then we go back to our G, and we basically just repeat that all the way through the song. So let's just play that from the very beginning. Now you can actually hear on the record, he actually does a quick upstroke before he plays the first down, so you'll hear this. But apart from that, it's everything I've just told you. So, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if I was going to split my practice session into 4 different sections, I'd work on my post method. Next I'd work on my strumming, working on timing, the sound and the actual pattern. Number 3, the chord changing. And then number 4, it's putting it all together with the whole chord sequence. So there'll be videos on each of these very, very soon. So make sure you have a look at them and be sure to subscribe. Next video up here, I'm sure you're going to love this one. Check them out and I'll see you next time.